Nobody ever achieved great results in trading without learning how technical analysis works. Well, yeah, but not exactly. Sure, being a pro means you've learned the hard way what it's like to misread a trend. It's about digging into your own and others' mistakes to get better. But what if you are not ready to dive deep into technical analysis, but you wouldn't mind a couple extra grand as a monthly reward? Hey guys, that's why I'm here, to make things less complicated for you. Here is the deal. I'll handle everything, and you can sit back. Sounds good? Let's go! By the way, I'm Agatha, a pro trader with 7 years of experience, and now we can get started. Let's start by diving into the laptop. Our players are already selected. Now let's pick our indicators. Today we are using RSI and Stochastic. Why? Because they help us spot significant market changes and tell us when buyers or sellers are dominating. You will see how they work in real time. Perfect, everything is set and we are ready to roll. I should point out that every indicator has its own hidden traps. I explain more about this on my Telegram channel, so if you are serious about understanding all the trading tips, click the link in the description, subscribe and dive in. And as a bonus for my community, you get free public live sessions. Every day I do live trading where you can copy my moves. The link in the description. Let's start with 43 today. Don't worry, you can start with any amount, even just one. I'm confident because I'm an expert, so I can go big. Now let's see what we've got. Both indicators are in the overbought zone, so I'm expecting a downward bounce. What a great start, my friends. Let's keep going. Now let's move on to our second pair. Let's take a look. Indicators are also in the overbought zone. Price is moving up. After the correction, I'm going short. By the way, if you are a beginner and struggling with strategy, you know where to find proven strategies, right? Have you subscribed to my Telegram channel yet? I made the right call, predicted the chart's movement perfectly. Let's keep going. Look at the chart. You can see there have already been bounces from this level, so I'm expecting another downward move. And once again, the prediction was spot on. Everything went smoothly and our analysis proved to be accurate. Friends, I think it's important to explain the indicators I'm using right now. These are RSI and Stochastic. Both indicators work similarly. They each have overbought and oversold zones. The upper boundary is 70 and beyond that is the overbought zone, where a drop is usually expected. The lower boundary is 30 and beyond it is the oversold zone, where a bounce back upward is expected. The RSI indicator has one line, and if it enters or exits either zone, you can expect a reversal. The stochastic indicator has two lines, and when one crosses the other from above or below, it also signals a reversal. If in the 70 zone one line crosses the other from above, the price will likely go down and vice versa. I hope that's not too confusing. Let's get back to our pairs. Indicators are the lower boundary in the oversold zone. I'm going up from this level. As expected, a sharp upward reversal. Another spot-on prediction. Awesome! Knowing how indicators work is a must. Right now I'm trying to show you how I use them, but there is even more information in my community. If you want to see impressive results, come join me on Telegram. You remember where the link is, right? Yep, it's in the description and the first pinned comment. Look like we've been here before. I see an upward impulse. The indicators are at the upper boundary, so I'm expecting a drop. Oh, just as I expected! I'm really glad we got in at the right moment. Let's check on the New Zealander and Canadian pair. I see consolidation after an uptrend. The candles are getting smaller and the indicators have been stuck at the upper boundary for a while. So I'm expecting a downward move. Yes, once again, a positive result. Time for the final round. Well, I've got a live session starting on my Telegram channel soon, but I've got time for one more round. Here we see the candles have broken through the resistance level. The trend is on the rise. I'll join it. Running a smart session delivers expected results. I just love working with the most efficient indicators. Wanna grow together with me? Wanna get the insights? Wanna reach the level I'm at? Then join me on Telegram. The link is below. Welcome aboard. That's all for now. Bye-bye.